I just discovered an application that you can earn cool amount of money from for doing simple tasks. The interesting thing about this application is that the withdrawal method is swift. You could decide to withdraw your money through PayPal, Venmo, or for crypto folks like me who likes to use crypto, you could decide to receive your payment in crypto by simply providing them your Solana address, and then they send your money to you. Just like the question that is running through your head right now, what exactly are you doing for this application? What are they paying you for? I mean, you don't expect somebody to just create an application and put it on the store and then you download it and start making money from it. So what exactly are you doing for them? You're someone that is conversant with updates. You realize that currently the narrative right now is AI. That is why even if you check channels on YouTube, channels that are doing well right now are channels that are somehow related to AI. Even in the crypto space right now in Web3, you see most players that are coming right now, they are somehow doing things with AI. This is why if you check some of your applications right now, you're going to see something like AI this, powered by AI that and this and the likes. Almost all the platforms right now want to use AI. Even the Pope currently urged priests to stop using AI to prepare their sermons. So you see that almost everybody is going through AI right now. Politicians are using it, students are using it, teachers are using it, researchers, anything at all. AI is taking over. But the interesting thing is that this AI cannot still function without human beings. Human beings need to feed data to this AI for it to function properly. So all of the results that you get when you use AI, these are things that were fed to it by human beings. If you're paying attention, you notice that there are AIs that can generate video, there are AIs that can generate voices, there are AI that can generate images. They need people to train it. They need to feed this thing data for this AI to be able to do that. That is why if you check now, some voices that AI is even generating right now is so real that you cannot differentiate it between human and AI unless they tell you. Even videos and photos. In fact, graphic designers have even lost their work right now because AI is now doing a better job. So AI is only going to get better. This is where Kled application comes in, because basically what this application is, it serves as a platform where users can give it their data. So this data, they now take it to train AIs like ChatGPT, Grok, and any other AI that they're currently generating. And they pay you for it. So if you want to start earning money right now by uploading data, be it photos, and what you need to know is that they will not accept AI generated content, because of course you don't expect to train AI with AI whereby you go to ChatGPT and then you generate some images and post. No, they want real life images. So you could be walking on your street, they might tell you take a picture of your street, take a picture of yourself, take a video of this, record videos on this, put the sounds and the likes. Basically they need real life activities so that they can use it to train this AI better for the future, so that AI in the future will be able to now generate more realistic human things than what we are currently seeing now. And the interesting thing is that there is nothing we can do about this. There is nothing we can do to stop it. So the best is to benefit from it. Kled is an application that pays you for doing this. The minimum withdrawal on this application is $25. So once you hit $25, you can withdraw. But the only caveat there is that currently this application is only available to iOS users, iPhone users with iOS 18 and above. So if you're using an Android phone, I'm sorry for you, you cannot access this update. Although that is not the end, because in my next video, I'm still going to be sharing two more apps that you can use to start making money in this online space. So if you want to try out the Kled application, simply head to your Play Store right now. And this is not a referral based program, because for you to even earn from your referrals has to be, first of all, real humans. They have to do tasks, and only until your referrals place withdrawal, that is when they are not going to be paying you from that their withdrawal. That is, they'll be giving you 10% or I think $10 thereabout from your referral, and they're also going to be crediting them some amount. Basically, the application is amazing. So try it out for yourself and let me hear your reviews in the comment section of this video. Like I said, for Android users, I am sorry, this is not for you, but I'm going to be giving you your own also. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel so you get updates like this. Turn on that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on all my social media platforms so you can stay in touch.